Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change text cursor thickness on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change text cursor thickness on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. In settings, click on easy of access. Here in left pane, you will find text cursor. Click on text cursor. First of all, you need to turn on text cursor indicator. And now scroll down. Here, the text cursor thickness. By default, the thickness is 1. You can change the thickness. I am going to change. Look, this is the text cursor indicator thickness. I'm going to type something. You can make it more large. I'm going to check. Look, the text cursor indicator is large. This is the easiest way to change text cursor thickness on Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.